What up, everybody? So in this video we will be talking about why the eBay sales are slow. Okay, so before we start, if you are interested about dropshipping on eBay and make money online from your home, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you have questions, uh, everything, just put your comments below. Okay, so let's begin. So in this weekend, it was the 19, 20, and the 21st of July. My sales were really slow, and I see a lot of messages. What is going on? And again, eBay did like a change in their platform or something like that, and I see a huge like people are start to complain, and eBay again is messing with us, with the dropshippers. Okay, so the thing is, you need to understand, first of all, on that weekend it was exactly after Prime's Day on Amazon. Okay, so like you need to understand that you working here as a business. Okay, and not like all the businesses does not have like huge sales every day. There are like some period of times like Christmas or after holidays that people are a little bit low in cash and stop purchasing for a while. Okay, but you don't need to worry about it. Okay, because my sales got back. You will see on the video's thumbnail that it is starting to get back to a normal sales at this point. But you need to understand, okay, that sometimes there will be lower days and higher days. When I started, like, if every day was not the same, I will start panicking. Okay, I will start to be stressed, and oh my god, what is going on, and something happened, I need to change something. Like, I was very stressed and very worried about that. Oh, I'm not making the same amount I did yesterday. But you need to understand, you work as a business, and you're here for the long run, not the short, not for short term. Okay, because if you're here for the short term, it will not work for you. Okay, we are here to be a business and make it something stable that will bring us money every month. Okay, so this is why I never calculate my profits for each day. I always calculate my profit for each month, as every business should do that. Okay, and you need to stop panicking. You need to stop to be like worried. There's something changed. eBay changed the algorithm. Like in the 20th of April, it was the same thing. Okay, so if you don't know, in the 20th of April, eBay did a change in their search engine, and it called Cassini. Okay, this is their search engine, and everyone was their sales was very slow at that time. Okay, it was very hard for all the dropshippers and non dropshippers. Okay, and huge panic started all over Facebook, and like Israeli company, because I'm from Israel and I know exactly what happened. They sued eBay, like total disaster. Like the sky fall down on everyone. Okay, and what I did, okay, so when I started, I, like everyone, started to watch YouTube videos of the people that I follow, and everyone saying that they have a solution, or that they know exactly what eBay did or did not. Okay, and this is total bullshit. Okay, no one knows exactly what eBay does. Okay, if someone knew exactly what is going on eBay, he could be like a billionaire on eBay, but this is not the case. Okay, you need to understand, every time something happens, you don't need to worry. Okay, you need to go ahead and continue listing, continue like, okay, eBay did a search engine change, so for example, the like what I teach, that you need to sell what sells, okay, on eBay. Sorry. So even if they did any change on their algorithm, because I'm selling what sells, okay, so everything that sold after the algorithm change is selling, so I should like sell those items because they are selling, okay. So you need to relax and keep going, keep listing, keep do the same thing. Stop like wasting your time commenting on Facebook that like eBay dropshipping is dead, or things like that, and stop looking at all of those videos that saying they have a solution, or is dropshipping dead, on all this bullshit, okay. You just need to keep up and work. Like dropshipping works, it's legal, and everything is okay. Okay, you need to remember that, and you need to keep grinding, and don't count your sales or your profits by the days, okay. You need to see your total performance for each month. If you grew from the previous month, it is good, okay, and this is all that matters. So keep that in mind, guys. So this was a quick video about the slow sales. Don't sweat about it. Keep working, keep hustling, and you will succeed, okay. And count your progress by each month, not but for each day, and get stressed about it. So again, guys, if you want to see more videos about eBay dropshipping, that I'm showing my progress, my techniques and everything, please subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video helpful, leave this video a thumbs up, and of course questions and suggested videos in the comments below. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.